Académie Chat, Éducation Plus, du cours de la 6e en terminale, en podcast.
Lesson 14, Nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Part 1. Different types of noun. Nouns can be classified according to what they refer to. Nouns that are really names are called proper nouns. Proper nouns usually refer to a particular named person or thing. They include the names of specific person. For example, Ahmet Buker, Countable. Geographical items. For example, Chad, Mount Everest, England, Paris. Days of the weeks, months, and annual church festivals. For example, Tuesday, June, Christmas, Easter. Patented goods and trade names. For example, Jaguar, Samsung, Purcell. Newspaper and magazine titles. For example, The Observer to The Times, The Guardian, 100% June. Shop, cinema, theatre names, buildings. For example, the Grand Marquis, Theatre National, Palais du 15, Alimentation Générale. Title, the polite or professional labels that we give to people. For example, Dr. Johnson, Professor Facho, President Obama, Sir Town et al. All the other nouns that refer to thing or species are called common nouns. For example, the tennis balls, anger. Brother, mother. Common nouns can be divided into the following groups, according to their meaning. Abstract nouns. They refer to intangible items. For example, honesty, idea, anger, time, behavior. Concrete nouns. They refer to tangible items. For example, a pig, a table, brother, the butcher, sugar. A concrete noun may refer to a living thing, animate noun, or physical object, inanimate noun. Collective nouns. They refer to collection of people or animals. For example, a bird of crux, a swarm of bees. Nouns may also be classified according to the words with which they are used, that is, whether or not the noun gives us information about singular and plural number. The other words that can be used in the same noun phrase. This gives us a useful distinction between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that we can count: 1 cat, 2 cats, and 17 cats etc. that have singular and plural forms, which are shown by the spelling. They must be used with a determiner if they are singular. For example, dogs, the dog, a chair, 6 new chairs. Uncountable nouns refer to things that are not normally thought of as countable. For example, advice, information work, homework. Qualities or abstract ideas. For example, knowledge, space, evidence, anger, happiness. NB. Uncountable nouns do not usually have a plural form. They are followed by a singular verb. They are not normally used with the indefinite article, an, advice or money. Some examples of commonest uncountable nouns are advice, anger, beauty, behavior, conduct, furniture, despair, evidence, happiness, homework, information, safety, knowledge, leisure, money, news, progress, research, etc. NB. Note that nouns that are uncountable in English may be countable in other languages. Part 2. Compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun that is formed from 2 or more words. The meaning of the whole compound is often different from the meaning of the 2 words on their own. Compound nouns are very common. The main noun is normally the last one. For example, teapot, headache, washing machine, self-control, driving license. Compound nouns are commonly formed from the following word combinations: noun plus noun, verb plus noun, adjective plus noun, phrasal verb used as noun, particle plus noun. Noun plus noun equals boyfriend, skinhead. Verb plus noun equals breakfast, grin store. Adjective plus noun equals software, hardware. Phrasal verb equals a break-in, a takeover. Particle plus noun equals onlooker, aftershave. NB, the term particle is used for a word which could be either an adverb or a preposition. Compound nouns can be written as one word, birdcage, bookcase. As two words, post office, eyeshadow. With a hyphen, air conditioning, t-shirt, window, cleaner. Part 3. Number in nouns. Singular number is used when the noun refers to one item. Plural number is used when the noun refers to more than one item. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. Example, a dog, dogs, a chair, chairs. Uncountable nouns and mass noun do not normally have a plural form. Example, meat, sugar, bread, cheese, work, advice. The regular plural ending of an English noun is s. Example, a cat, cats. These are exception to the normal pattern. Plural of singular nouns ending with s, ss, ch, x, zz, focus, focuses, princess, princesses, church, churches, box, boxes, buzz, buzzes. Singular noun ending with o, hero, heroes, piano, pianos, potato, potatoes. Consonant plus y, baby, babies, hobby, hobbies. Vowel plus y, key, keys, ray, rays. Singular noun ending with f, hoof, hoofs or hooves, dwarf, dwarfs or dwarves, thief, thieves, roof, roofs. Singular noun ending with fay, knife, knives, life, lives. The irregular plural some nouns have two plurals. Fish, fish or fishes.
Sixième en terminale, podcast Académie, chaque éducation, plus des cours de la sixième en terminale, podcast.